All right, so if you know that you are currently mining Republic, go to your Google Play Store and search for Republic, and then tap the update button to update your application to the latest version. I believe that within this latest version, you are going to gain access to the in-app wallet. Okay, so right now I'm currently updating mine. Immediately you are done updating your app, then tap open and open the application, and take your time to navigate around the application. Take your time to navigate around the applications and check out the latest update which was added in this recent app update. Okay, and do make sure to keep an eye on the Telegram community, the Discord community, and at the same time the Twitter community of Republic. Okay, keep on expecting that with something massive is going to come out from this very one. You all are welcome. See you on the inside. Follow for more videos.